What's up YouTube? Jeff back again, and today we got another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today I'm going to be talking about what you can expect from One UI 5.1, which is the software that will be landing on the Galaxy S23 Ultra that's going to be launching here in just about a week on February 1st. We're going to talk about those new features. Before we do, I want to remind you guys, if you are pre-ordering the Galaxy S23 Ultra, that you should head over to my website. The link will be in the comment, the pinned description. You can grab the Galaxy S23 Ultra mystery box. They're 100% free. I include a free case, a free phone kit, which is a stand, a cleaning kit. There's also randomly inserted prizes like Amazon gift cards, Google Play Store credit. One in every 20 boxes will get another mystery prize. All of them get the case, the phone stand, the kit. Choose your size. I cover shipping and everything. The only requirement is that you use my Samsung link to order and then verify your order, which there will be a Google form for everyone to fill out, just with their order amount and how many phones they ordered. And you can get multiple mystery boxes. So if you order 5 phones, you get 5 mystery boxes. That's 100% fine. Check out the link in the pinned comment and the description. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about it. One UI 5.1 is going to be the official software coming on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we don't know a ton about it yet. We're guessing there aren't going to be too many visual changes. There are quite a few interesting visual changes to notifications and also the way the color palettes worked in One UI 5.0. There was additional expanded color palette options. You can apply color palette to icons. A lot of really cool features that were included with One UI 5.0. This is not One UI 5.0 specific. This is using GoodLock's Home Up for the vertical app Droid app list. But there were a lot of cool features that were included with One UI 5.0. Visual overhauls. You've also now got the press on the lock screen to edit your lock screen wallpaper and customize other things. You can also expand that by using GoodLock's Lockstar module. So a lot of stuff in One UI 5.0 that were new in terms of looks. We don't expect that in One UI 5.1, but there are 2 big features that I expect to come that we've been waiting on for One UI 5.1. The first one, and let me go back to this picture that I downloaded, is this battery widget, which a lot of people were excited about when they showed off One UI 5.0 back at the Samsung Developer Conference last year. It's got your phone battery, your Buds battery, the left and the right bud for your Galaxy Buds Pro, and your watch battery all on one. And you can kind of see these down below, get more details. This is very similar to the battery widget that Apple has on the iPhone. And even though I prefer using my Galaxy phones over iPhones any day, I do like that battery widget. It's really nice. And so a lot of people were interested in getting this. It never arrived with One UI 5.0. It hasn't come out with any of the updates. I've been checking every update I get to see if this is there. It has not been there. And so we're hoping that that's going to arrive with this update. The next thing that I'm really hoping arrives with the update is inside of the phone application. So let me actually go back to the phone app. Which we go here and go to the phone settings. And right here, Bixby text call. So you can see Bixby text call is a feature that basically lets you screen your calls. It's kind of like Google's call screen for the Pixel devices. At the end of the day, this is going to allow you to answer the phone with Bixby. Bixby will actually have the conversation with the person, ask them what they're calling about. You can choose some quick responses and you can customize those. The only problem right now is that it's only available in Korean. Samsung announced back at the Samsung Developer Conference as well that we would be seeing this come to English in the US sometime in January. Now, I think it's highly unlikely they make that deadline. I'm recording this on January 24th, so they're probably not going to get it out in time for the January launch. But the Galaxy S23 Ultra and One UI 5.1 will launch on February 1st, so it's not really that long. It's only one extra day. I really do think we're going to see this in One UI 5.1 here in the US. I'm really excited about this feature. I've used it to troll some spam people with the Korean version. That's why I have it turned on. I tested it during the beta. It's a lot of fun, but I really can only use it on spammers, obviously. Don't want to turn that on and have it answer in Korean for people that I know. But it's a great feature. I use it on my Pixel devices and really excited to see it come to Samsung. Next, few other cool features that I think might make it. These are specific to GoodLock, but let's talk about them anyway. You guys know I talk about GoodLock all the time on this channel, and if you don't know about GoodLock, make sure you download it. It's one of the best things you can have on your Galaxy device. Honestly, a very, very impressive module. At the end of the day, this allows you to customize your device in different ways. There's a couple of things that Samsung has added that has not made it to its way to the US. It's actually still region locked inside GoodLock. And one of those applications is called Galaxy to Share. There's actually a couple of them, but Galaxy to Share is probably the one that I want to see the most. Galaxy to Share, which is right here, I downloaded it, but as you can see, it doesn't work. It closes. It says unsupported country. I'm thinking that when we get One UI 5.1, maybe we might see Samsung release Galaxy to Share in the US and some other countries. Right now, I think it's only in Korea. This will allow you to share a lot of your settings that you have inside of GoodLock, and I have all the modules turned on. I have a lot of interesting settings. I'd love to be able to share those with you guys in a file that you could install, and that's what Samsung is basically doing with Galaxy to Share. So I think there's a good chance we see a lot of the GoodLock modules updated, perhaps even this new module arrive here in the US. Now, lastly, before we leave, those are most of the things I expect from One UI 5.1. Of course, there'll be security updates. There'll be some performance enhancements. Hopefully, maybe they'll finally fix the animations and make them just perfect. I doubt that, but it would be nice. But before we go, I want to mention some really cool concepts for One UI 6.0 that I saw over on Twitter. If you guys aren't following this guy, Vtrox360 makes some amazing concepts for One UI 6.0. He dropped a concept a few days ago talking about the idea of an adaptive always-on display, and I love this idea. You guys can see the idea here is you would be able to actually have apps running on the always-on display. And of course, you could run them at a very low refresh rate. Things like Google Maps, you're not going to be looking at the map all the time, so you don't need high refresh rate. This theoretically wouldn't drain a ton of battery. Look how cool it looks to have Google Maps on there. He then showed how it would look in the settings. You can turn on adaptive always-on display to get your information from various activities. And then he also showed one with music. This is basically an always-on display music widget, which I would love. And then also an always-on display timer, which basically emulates the current style of the timer that they have for the timer widget on One UI 5.0. I would love this. I think these concepts are absolutely awesome. I also like to give some, shout outs and some shine to the guys who make these because I enjoy seeing them on Twitter. And hopefully Samsung will pay attention if enough of us like them. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification icon. Future videos like this. Again, if you guys are ordering the Galaxy S23, 23 Plus, 23 Ultra next week, check out my website below. Choose your size. Get a mystery box 100% free. I'll be sending out more information to those of you who sign up very soon. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.